This is a project I finished a few years ago, but I never put it to film. I never even took pictures of the kit. This is the KILLZONE Radec helmet. It's about a dozen pieces. You have a visor that fits into the opening there. So you can remove that, attach it with magnets, do whatever you feel is the best solution for getting that on there, or just glue it on permanently. You've got red lenses that will back up those eyes. This is a detail that glues separately onto the back. These are tusks that go on the side. Again, we have these laser cut parts that fit onto the sides. This also comes with your kit. This is a very lightweight casting. This is the neck guard, and it bolts here in the back. These are the laser cut small parts that fit onto this upper shroud. And you have these pucks, one large and one small, that go onto the sides. This is the Radec helmet from the video game KILLZONE. Thanks for watching.